Hi guys, we're back again with another tutorial. It's going to be a 2-minute Tuesday, new feature, 2 minutes, quick tutorial. It's the first one that we're going to be doing, and it's going to be an InDesign. So this is basically how to do columns within a text box. This is ideal if you're looking at creating a kind of magazine layout and you have to have the columns, so you can break the length of the sentences up as you type. As always, you shouldn't have too long a sentence, especially in kind of magazine layouts or book layouts. It just becomes a little bit tricky to read, so that's why we create the columns. So we're going to jump straight in. It's really simple, so we just click on the type tool and we drag our box over, and then all we have to do is, if the type box is still selected, it won't actually allow us to do it, but we just have to highlight the text box, and over here, just where the cursor is, we can see that there is a command, or as a feature, number of columns and the gutter. So if you click on, say, 3, it will now add 3 columns into this text box, and the gutter is basically the space between each column. So you can either have quite a large space if you want a bit of clearance between the columns, or you can have it as quite a narrow gap as well. That doesn't matter. It doesn't matter in terms of the content. All you have to do then is add some text to show, basically, or add some copy into it. So I'm just going to add some random text. This is text to show my example on text columns in InDesign, and then we can copy that all the way through, and hopefully that will show you the example. So you can see that what happens is, as soon as that column is full, it overlaps it into that next column. So there we go, 2-minute Tuesday InDesign tutorial on how to insert how to insert columns into text. There we go. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more, and if you like that video, hit that like button, and we will see you next time.